Hello, Facebook Live. Hello, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Today's cocktail, as you can see, is going to be an orange pineapple margarita. We'll get to that in a few minutes. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Welcome to Monday. Hope everybody's being safe out there and feeling well and getting outside and exercising. Taking your vitamin C, drinking lots of water. That's kind of been the big thing this week, is drinking a lot of water. For me, I've been trying to do that a lot more, taking my vitamin C. And thanks everybody for watching. There's some people joining, so hello. Thank you very much. I appreciate your support and your watching. And I love making margaritas. That's one of my favorite drinks. I don't drink them a lot, but I make them a lot on my Facebook Live, so thanks everybody. We got a few new items in on our groceries. We got chocolate covered raisins. We got some vegan bouillon, chicken bouillon, but vegan. You can make stocks out of it. You can make sauces. Let's see, what else did we get, Marcus? Pretzel buns are on there now. We have lots of chocolates in stock. I brought those in for the holidays and they did really good. So I'm keeping those on there. So thanks everybody for watching. I don't know if it's clicked on yet. Hasn't clicked on my phone yet, so give everybody a minute here. Today's special, $9.99 special of the week, Marcus announced it this morning, is our ribeye. It is served with a garlic, some roasted garlic, and some olive oil and some balsamic cream. And there we go. Now people are joining on, so thanks everybody. I see you all joining in here. And so $9.99 special this week is ribeye. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, reopen again on Thursday, so you can order it Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And then Monday we start a new $9.99 special again. We also have our wings tonight. It is buy one, get one free wings to go. So both of those orders, the ribeye and the wings, are to go. We had a cancellation on our wine dinner, so we do have a couple of spots left on our wine dinner for tonight. So if you are interested in coming to the wine dinner, it starts at 6:30. We are doing 4 California wines. I think there are 2 white, 2 red. We might throw another red in there. We'll see. It is a smaller dinner this week. It is social distance. Everybody is separated, and it includes a dish. So it's $25, 4 wines and a dish. And Marcus is doing something with crab cakes tonight. We had a few crab cakes left over that we made on Saturday. We were so busy with crab cakes last week, he had to buy more, and we didn't sell all of it, so he's making something with crab cakes tonight for the dinner. So that is cool. Our groceries are strong and going. We have those pizzas back in stock, those Italian Naples pizzas. And let's get on to my drink for the day. I gotta grab a lime. Let me just grab the lime here.
Yeah, me too.
And Cody, who works for us, is saying, make two. But maybe I'll make him a little bit to taste. So I'm just cutting my lime up here. I like salt with my margaritas, so I'm just going to rim the glass, and then I am going to dip it into salt. So you rim it and salt the glass. If you prefer sugar, you can put sugar. There we go. Now it's showing. Wish we could join you for the wine dinner tonight. Definitely see you the next one. Excellent. So we do wine dinners every 2 weeks. Just so you know, every 2 weeks, $25 is the format. 4 wines and a dish. So, and then most of the wines are for sale as well. So we will miss you, Heather, tonight. We will definitely miss you. So $25, great deal. Awesome steal. So pineapple margarita, I'm gonna put some ice in my shaker. I am going to put 2 ounces of our Pueblo Vieja Blanco tequila. That's my favorite tequila for margaritas. So I'm gonna make a little extra. So that was a little bit more than 2 ounces. 1 ounce of Curacao, that's what we use as our triple sec. Can we put you down for the wine dinner? Yes, Matthew, we can put you down for the wine dinner. So there you go, 1 more person. So Curacao, that's what we use for our triple sec. This is like a pure orange. It's really awesome. So We're gonna put about a half an ounce of lime juice. Let me just shake that up here. Whoop. And whoa, stop. It's so full that it was going all over the place there. Actually, I might have grabbed lemon juice by accident. Bummer. Well, we're gonna have a orange lemon pineapple. Oh, I need an orange juice from outside. Can you go grab me an orange juice, Cody? I'm not really that prepared today. Sorry, everybody. Some days are a little bit better than other days. Been running around crazy today. So, and now the phone's gonna start ringing. Cody's not gonna be here. I need orange juice. So some days are a little better. Mondays are a little harder because I'm coming off a busy weekend. I actually went to bed really early last night. I was exhausted. We had a little celebration for some friends that got engaged this weekend. So we had a little Prosecco toast with them. So congratulations to them. And let's see. While I'm waiting for my orange juice, what can I talk about? Our groceries. Everything is for sale there. Here comes my orange juice. Cody's running with it and passing it like a football. So congratulations to the Buffalo Bills as well. I don't know what round it is. I think there's one more playoff round and then the Super Bowl. Is that how it works, Cody? One more round?
Just one more game.
And I'm going to put about an ounce of orange juice. Woo, this is a really full margarita because I'm making a little extra. I like my margaritas on the rocks. How do you like your margarita? Do you like it on the rocks? Do you like it with salt? Do you like it with a sugar rim? I definitely love my margaritas with salt. I like a good margarita. Not all Mexican places make good margaritas, but I really like margaritas. So, and I hear mine are pretty good, so that's a good thing. And I'm gonna pour it away. So pineapple, orange, margarita. I put a splash of soda in there on the top. And there you go. Pineapple, orange margarita. Hopefully it's good. Let's taste it. Cheers, everybody. Oh, that's kind of good. Even with by accident, I don't know if you were watching, but I think I put some lemon juice instead of lime. But it's pretty good. A little more sour, but good margarita. Groceries are available. If you want to place an order for groceries, just give me a call, send me an email. We'll pack it up for you. We'll bring it outside. I know with the cases going up, more and more people don't want to go out. So I've seen the increase of groceries. And if you feel comfortable, you can call me, come in, walk around, buy groceries from us. Our grocery store, it's hopping. I mean, we got a lot of stuff on our grocery shelves. Beet juice, pineapple juice, beet juice, pomegranate juice, mango juice, pear juice, lots of juices. I mean, everything pretty much that I just use in this margarita, you can buy here. So cheers, everybody. Wine dinner tonight, anybody interested? We still have a few spots available. 4 wines and a dish, 25 bucks. Can't beat it. $9.99 ribeye special to go this week. And tonight, Monday, is our buy one, get one free wings. Thursday, we will have $9.99 burgers to go. That includes the chickpea burger and our burgers. And that's it. So cheers, everybody. Talk to you tomorrow. Marcus and I will be live on our, what is it? Aroma Time. Why can't I think of it? Wine Time Live. Sorry, Wine Time Live. Tomorrow at some point or Wednesday. We are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. We get to enjoy 2 days off. And I'll be back. Hopefully, maybe I'll make a drink tomorrow. I got a few up my sleeve. If you have any cool drinks you want to share with me, you want to see me make, I'd love to share them with you. And you're watching me live, #live on the replay, #replay. And we'll see everybody soon. Cheers.